Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are having a perfect day with zero problems.
Hi, everyone. I am having a terrible day. I went to a restaurant and my soup was cold. Then I bought a shirt and it had a hole in it. And then my neighbor played drums for 3 hours.
Oh no, Sam. That sounds awful. Did you tell them? Did you complain?
No, I was too scared. I didn't want to be rude. So I just ate the cold soup and cried.
Sam, you have to stand up for yourself. Today, we are discussing how to file a complaint.
This is a vital skill, but it is scary. In English, there is a very specific way to complain. If you are too aggressive, you look like a Karen, a difficult person. If you are too quiet, nothing changes.
Exactly. You need the Goldilocks complaint. Just right. You need to use softeners like, I'm afraid, there seems to be a mistake, and I was wondering if.
And surprisingly, you usually start a complaint by saying, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to bother you, but this soup is frozen.
It sounds strange, but it works. So here is our customer service roadmap for this useful lesson.
Listen closely, or I will complain to the manager.
By the end of this video, you will be able to return food at a restaurant, return a product at a store, refunds and exchanges, complain about bad service, and escalate the problem if they ignore you.
We are going to teach you idioms like not up to scratch, rip off, and get to the bottom of this.
And we are using our special method, context first. We will let you listen to Sam struggling to complain before we explain the vocabulary.
So keep your receipt, check the warranty, and hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button if you have ever eaten bad food because you were too shy to send it back.
I am the king of eating bad food.
Let's get started. Part 1. The restaurant. Cold food and wrong orders.
This is the most common scenario. You order steak, you get chicken. You order hot soup, you get ice water.
You must be polite but firm. You don't want the waiter to spit in your food.
In this first scene, Sam is at a restaurant. His order is wrong. Listen for mix up, send it back, on the house, and I'm afraid. So here is your order, sir, the spicy chicken wings.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Is everything okay? Well, actually, I'm afraid there has been a mistake. Oh, what seems to be the problem? I ordered the steak, but this is chicken, and also it looks a little bit undercooked. I am so sorry, sir. Let me check the order ticket. Ah, yes, my mistake. I will take this back to the kitchen immediately. Thank you. I'm sorry to be a pain. Not at all. I will rush your steak out, and because of the delay, the drinks are on the house. Oh wow, free drinks? Maybe I should complain more often.
See? You complained and you got free drinks.
I love this country. Let's look at the vocabulary. First, I'm afraid.
I'm afraid. This is the classic British polite softener. It doesn't mean you are scared. It means I am sorry to tell you this negative news. I'm afraid this isn't what I ordered. I'm afraid the table is dirty.
Then I said, there has been a mistake.
A mix-up. This is a polite noun for a mistake. It sounds accidental. It sounds better than you made a mistake.
Then the action, send it back.
To send it back. To ask the waiter to take the food away to the kitchen. The meat was raw, so I sent it back.
Then the reward, on the house.
On the house. This idiom means free. The restaurant pays for it. Dessert is on the house.
And Sam said, sorry to be a pain.
A pain, or a pain in the neck, an annoying person. This is a very polite way to acknowledge that you are causing extra work. Part 2. The store. Refunds and defects.
Now let's go shopping. You bought something, but it is broken.
You need to return it. You need to talk to customer service.
In this scene, Sam bought a toaster that doesn't toast. Listen for defective, receipt, refund, and store credit.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to return this toaster. I bought it yesterday.
Oh, is there something wrong with it?
Yes, it seems to be defective. It doesn't heat up at all. It just sits there being cold.
I see. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Okay. Would you like to exchange it for a new one, or would you like a refund?
I'd like a full refund, please. I don't trust this brand anymore.
No problem. I can put the money back on your card, or I can give you store credit.
Cash back on the card, please.
It just sits there being cold, like my ex-girlfriend. Sam, focus. Let's look at the shopping words. First, defective.
Defective or faulty. This means the product is broken or not working correctly. The screen is defective.
Then the proof, the receipt.
The receipt, the paper that proves you bought it. Always keep the receipt.
Then the options, refund versus exchange.
Refund, you get your money back. Dollars, dollars, dollars. Exchange, you swap the broken item for a new item. Toaster to toaster.
And store credit.
Store credit. They don't give you cash, but they give you a voucher to buy something else in that shop later.
Always ask for a refund first. Store credit traps you. Part 3. Bad service. Attitude.
Sometimes the product is fine, but the person is rude.
Complaining about service is harder because it is personal. In this scene, Sam is at a hotel. The receptionist was rude and the room was dirty. Listen for not up to standard, acceptable, speak to the manager, and sort this out.
Excuse me, I'd like to make a complaint about my room.
What's wrong with it?
Well, first of all, the bed hasn't been made. And secondly, the bathroom is dirty. Frankly, it is not acceptable.
Look, we are very busy today. The cleaners will get to it later.
Excuse me? I paid for a clean room. This service is not up to standard.
Well, I can't do anything about it right now.
Okay, I'd like to speak to the manager, please.
The manager is at lunch.
Then I will wait. I expect you to sort this out immediately.
Wow, Sam, you were tough. I expect you to sort this out.
Sometimes you have to be tough. Let's look at the phrases. First, not acceptable.
Not acceptable. This is a strong, formal phrase. It means this is very bad and I will not tolerate it. Use this when you are angry but polite.
Then the idiom, not up to standard or not up to scratch.
Not up to standard. This means the quality is lower than it should be. The food was not up to scratch.
Then the command, sort this out.
To sort something out. To fix a problem or resolve a messy situation. Please sort this out.
And the nuclear option, speak to the manager.
Use this only when the staff member is not helping. Can I speak to your supervisor?
Part 3.5, the Rapid Phrase Builder. Welcome to the Rapid Phrase Builder.
We are going to list the most common complaint phrases. I will give the definition and Sam will say the phrase. Repeat after Sam. Let's complain politely.
I have a complaint.
Direct opening statement.
I have a complaint.
I'm sorry to bother you, but polite softener before the problem.
I'm sorry to bother you, but there seems to be a mistake.
Pointing out an error gently.
There seems to be a mistake.
It's not what I ordered.
The item is wrong. It's not what I ordered. Can I have a word? Asking to speak privately or seriously. Can I have a word? I'm not happy about this. Expressing dissatisfaction directly. I'm not happy about this. This is unacceptable. Strong phrase for a big problem. This is unacceptable.
I'd like a refund.
Asking for money back.
I'd like a refund. Who can I speak to about this?
Asking for a person with authority.
Who can I speak to about this? I will take my business elsewhere.
Threatening to never return. Serious.
I will take my business elsewhere. Excellent. I will take my business elsewhere is the ultimate threat.
It means you just lost a customer forever.
Part 4. The sandwich method. Neighbors. Complaining to strangers is easy. Complaining to people you know, neighbors, colleagues, is hard.
You have to live with them. You can't just yell.
We use the sandwich method. Top bun, start with something nice. Meat, the complaint. Bottom bun, end with something nice.
In this scene, Sam complains to his neighbor about loud music. Listen for the sandwich.
Scene 4. Hey Dave, how are you doing? Great party last night. It sounded like you guys were having fun. Top bun.
Yeah, it was awesome. Thanks, Sam.
I was wondering if you could keep the music down a little bit next time. It was shaking my walls at 3 a.m.
Oh, sorry, man. Was it that loud?
Yeah, it was a bit intense. But hey, I love your playlist. You have great taste in rock music. Just maybe lower volume?
Got it. Sorry, Sam. I'll keep it down.
Stop and teach 4.
Did you see the sandwich? Nice. Great party. Complaint? Keep it down. Nice. Love your playlist.
It works perfectly. The neighbor doesn't feel attacked. Also, Sam used the grammar, I was wondering if you could.
This is the most polite way to make a request. I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if you could stop screaming.
Part 5. Escalating. When politeness fails. Sometimes being nice doesn't work. Sometimes you get ripped off.
Then you have to escalate.
In this scene, Sam ordered a phone online, but it never arrived. The company is ignoring him. Listen for rip-off, get to the bottom of this, and take it further. Scene 5. Look, I have called 3 times. My phone never arrived. I'm sorry, sir. The computer says it was delivered. Well, the computer is wrong. I paid $500. This feels like a ripoff. There is nothing more I can do. That is not good enough. I need you to get to the bottom of this. Where is the package? I don't know, sir. Okay, if you don't refund me today, I am going to take this further. I will contact my credit card company and report fraud. Wait, sir, let me check with my supervisor. Stop and teach 4.
I will contact my credit card company. That got their attention.
Money talks. Let's look at the angry words. First, a ripoff.
A ripoff. Slang for something that is too expensive or a scam. That tourist trap is a total ripoff.
Then Sam said, get to the bottom of this.
To get to the bottom of something. To find the true cause or hidden reason for a problem. To investigate deeply.
And finally, take it further.
To take it further. To escalate the complaint to a higher authority. Lawyers, police, consumer rights. It is a threat.
Part 6. Grammar goal. Indirect language.
We mentioned softeners. This is indirect language.
Direct to rude. The food is cold. You made a mistake. Give me a refund.
Indirect, polite. I'm afraid the food is cold. There seems to be a mistake. I would like a refund, please.
Also, use seems. Instead of it is broken, say it seems to be broken. It sounds less aggressive. It sounds like maybe I am wrong, but it looks broken, even if you know it is definitely broken. Part 7. The vocabulary box. Let's review all these complaining words in the vocabulary box. Slow and clear. I say the word. Rose gives the definition. I'm afraid. Definition: polite softener used before bad news. Mix up. Definition: a polite word for a mistake or confusion. Send it back. Definition: to return bad food to the kitchen. On the house. Definition: free, paid for by the restaurant. Defective. Definition: broken or not working properly. Receipt. Definition: proof of purchase paper. Refund. Definition: getting your money back. Exchange. Definition: swapping a product for a new one. Not up to standard. Definition: quality is too low. Sort it out. Definition: to fix or resolve a problem. Sandwich method. Definition: compliment, complaint, compliment. Ripoff. Definition: a scam or very bad price. Get to the bottom of. Definition: to find the true cause of a problem. Take it further. Definition: to escalate a complaint to a higher authority. The box is full. Let's empty it. Speed round. Loudly. I'm sorry, there seems to be a mistake. Mix up. The soup is cold. I will blank it back. Send. Drinks are free. Idiom: on the house. The paper that proves you bought the toaster. Receipt: getting your money back. Refund: this hotel is dirty. It is not up to standard. Or scratch: please fix this. Phrasal verb: sort it out. Slang for a very bad price/scam. Rip off: I'm blank, there is a problem. Softener: afraid, I'm afraid. You guys are expert complainers now. But remember, be polite first, be angry second. Now, the speaking challenge. Step 1, pause the video. Step 2, answer this question out loud. Practice complaining about a cold pizza. Use the phrase, I'm afraid. Example: excuse me, I'm afraid my pizza is cold. Could you heat it up? Step 3, write exactly what you said in the comments. Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go. Did you get a hot pizza or a refund? I hope you got a refund and a free dessert. Thanks for watching. No complaints about this video, I hope. See you in the next video. Bye.